out here today. Got some coils gotta get cleaned up. Not looking too good on them. It's on a rack system. We're gonna get these all cleaned up before I even begin to address what's going on inside. There's our rat. Gotta get that all cleaned up. And then after that, we got some issues with, we got a bunch of dirty evaporators. But my main focus are gonna be the ones that are causing this to happen and that to happen. Mind you, this is a cooler now, a walk-in cooler. No defrost heaters. It's a defrost and off cycle. It's just dripping. So we're gonna get the drain cleared, coils cleaned, and just attack I can little by little. This is why they call me the cleanup man. So I'm gonna change my name, my YouTube name to Cleanup Man. But like always, man, we're gonna get them going. So here's been my go-to guy right here for cleaning coils. This right here. Put some cleaner, a little water in the bucket. Drop that right in there. And go to cleaner. It's got turbo, rinse, and 15-degree angle setting. It doesn't damage coils and it cleans them good, man. You'll see. Check it out. I use my brush here just to kind of get this off, man, because this coil's not in the best shape, as you see. So I'm gonna go a little gentle on it, but just kind of get that initial shit off. Makes a world of a difference when I go to hit it with the cleaner. So just because the condition of the coil, I'm not gonna go too crazy. I go low pressure and just kind of just hit it up. You can just see it coming off of there on the foot. This is just on a rinse. You see it, man. It's just not. It's coming out cleaner than it was, but a couple more cycles, man, and it'll be good. But this thing is caked. We'll get her. This thing's awesome, man. Alright, so while cleaning these coils, I noticed C4. Found the breaker was turned off. And big picture diagnosis. So, shout out to Chris at HVACR video. Sprayed this down, found that there's a leak right there. That's an easy fix. Put a swivel tee on there, cracked that servo. I made sure that servo was opened, back seated all the way, so there should be no pressure coming through, but there is pressure coming through. So put a swivel tee on there, crack it a little bit so that the swivel T has system pressure. If you need to read system pressure, leak fixed. But I wouldn't have found this issue if I wouldn't have been keeping my eyes open. So as I was going through cleaning these condensers, as you'll see, I went to shut off another condenser. I went to go shut off this one right here. When I went to shut this one off, I noticed that the breaker to C4, the one with the leak, was off. If I wasn't paying attention, I would have missed that, and it could have been a callback and a future issue that we don't need. The customer appreciated that I found it, and we are going to address it, and I'm going to troubleshoot it now, and I'll make another video for it. But just pay attention, guys. I could have easily missed that. Easily missed that breaker being off and thought there was no other issues with this rack than what I was there for currently. So just pay attention, guys. Big picture diagnosis.
All right, so now we've cleaned those condensers, but cleaned all these baffles. Took them down, pressure washed them all, cleaned them all up. Got everything nice, running pretty. Nice and clean. Now we're gonna go take a look at these evaporators. Clean those up a little bit, clear those drains out.
This drain is just caked with exhaust. Shit from the exhaust. Running the forklifts through the cooler. It's just caked. So we got a hose over there and a clean out, and I'm just gonna blow right through it. Clear all that shit up. Alright, let's see. We get out, go down to the trap. Clear all that shit out over here. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, there she comes. Shit's coming out. I hear it in there. Oh, yep. Oh my God. Yeah, there comes the chunks. I'm just gonna get as much hose as I can get and just keep blowing it out further and further down the line. Alright, after a bit of a struggle, that's just a portion of what came out of that drain. But I got the drain flowing finally. And the ones coming from the evap to the main drain is just as bad, and I'm working on those now. The coil's not too bad. It's that exhaust, man. They're running gas forklifts through here. So you can just see, just brushing it. You can see the shit that's coming off of there, man. And that's what's clogging these drains out. It's really bad. So, in order for these drains not to keep getting clogged up, man, they're gonna have to keep up on maintenance. This drain's still frozen. I'm gonna hit it with some water right now to thaw it out, but they gotta keep up on maintenance. Man, what a fucking difference. These coils gotta get cleaned, man. I'm gonna have to return. I'm gonna hit one or two more up, and then I'll be back. All from the exhaust. All from the exhaust. Get this one cleaned up and then let it sit for the day. Come back and do the rest Monday.